Det er noget mere alvorligt. Det kan jo ikke være fedt at sange det hele. Så her er en sang, der handler lidt om den tid, vi lever i. Hvor vi lever i krig og doom and gloom. Det hører også med. Den her, den hedder Soldiers. Og den går like this. Contagious laughter bleeds into the silver moon of dawn. Like children, those in government who can't tell right from wrong. Spineless goggles swept upon the shore. Paralyzed by poison from corporations they adore. Soldiers weren't all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters. And they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Born into eternal slavery like now and those before, who would dare to scream for freedom in a world at constant war. Brainwashed by the media to believe important lies, spend their lives creating fortunes for the devils they despise. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. The ugly truth that none of them are really brave or free. They live their lives of happiness and fight for their country. What good are all their medals, Purple Hearts displayed, just as cheap as plastic and scattered on their graves. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children came to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children cried at funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Yeah, and unfortunately it's a very relevant song, and it seems like every week when you open the news it gets more and more relevant, and you think that it would stop becoming more and more relevant, but it just keeps going, man.
That's humanity.
Yeah, but it was a really good song. Give it up for Songbird.